I found these gems on Amazon, so they are going to be my 3 different sizes for large flowers, medium flowers, and small flowers. These gems have holes in them, so I'm going to place them on a wire like that, and I'll show you how to do that. For my large crystals, I'm going to take a piece of 22 gauge wire, cut it in half like that, and I have a piece of cheap wire just from a roll. I will take my crystal and place the wire through diagonally like that, bring it over to fix to the other side like that. But you can see now it's moving, so to prevent that from happening, I'm going to bring another piece of floral wire here and bring it down and fixing everything together. So now I have all 4 wires. I'm going to take a piece of floral tape, just regular white floral tape, and tape everything down together. And now I have my first center.